Hello everyone, welcome to another episode for my video house tour. So we're now here at Angeli Lumina House model. This is a duplex type. Lot area is 54 square meter. Floor area is 42 square meter. So papasokin natin yung model unit na furnish. And my window dito sa side. So, and this side, dito nila nilagay yung dining. And dito yung living room. Ito yung window nila na steel window. And nakataas siya ng 60 by 60. And dito naka-wall mount yung TV. And with mirror. Nilagyan na ng maliit na divider for their kitchen and small kitchen and ref. You could see meron din dito window. Steel window din yung gamit. For the restroom, nandun siya sa dulo ng staircase. Yan yung staircase niya, in steel white. And naka-wooden plank yung staircase. So, ito yung restroom nila. And lavatory and bowl with flush, then gripo at shower. And on the second floor, you can see from this point is tatlo yung rooms. So first is this room. Pwede siya lagyan ng double deck. Yan, naka-steel window din. And with built-in cabinet. And for the second room, pink yung pink niya. Yan nila ng built-in cabinet. Then, isang twin-size bed. Yeah, with steel window din. Okay. And this room is the third room. Neutral color yung ginamit nila. It has the same size ng bed, like twin size and much bigger steel window. Meron siyang built-in cabinet. Pero kalahati lang. So, ang design nila dito is yan, eto yung hallway. Then, walang pinto. So, eto naman yung across no staircase. So, may steel window din. So, baba ulit tayo sa ground floor. So, dito sa tapat ng CR, dito nila nilagay yung fuse box. And ito din pala, for ventilation ng CR, meron ding maliit na steel window. So, kagandahan dito sa Lumina, ang gamit nilang door is made of iron sheet. Kaya matibay siya at hindi inaanay. So, ito yung likod or service area. So, dito sa service area, yung half nito, ito yung property ng half duplex. So, yan yung wall boundary ng property. Ayan. So, dito sa service area, ay andyan yung lababo. And, so from this point upward, so pwede pang ipa-extend yan. So, pwedeng gawan pa ng additional room, family area, and ito, pwede ito maging extension ng kitchen. So, kung dito ako sa service area manggagaling, ito yung perspective ng buong bahay. So, ayan, itong area na to, itong unit na to is mas malaki dun sa previous na Angeli na 36 square meters. And dahil nakasarado yung other side ng duplex, hindi natin ma-open yung bare finish ng building. So, yan. Again, this is the Angeli duplex of Lumina Homes. Thank you and good day. Happy Sunday.